Hi, it's Kelly from Ondol Clinic, and we thought we'd join the online community for health tips. What we're finding at the moment is a lot of people that are both mentally stressed and physically stressed from lack of movement, sitting down, maybe eating too much pasta and rice, and they're coming in with a lot of lower back pain. So the one thing you can do at home is you can do a little self-massage with a rolling pin, or you can do a self-massage with yourself. So I'm going to show you what to do. So if you press the inside of your thigh, you'll find that'll actually be quite sore. We always start with the left side, okay? So we start with the left side. If that's sore, then just cross your legs, get your rolling pin or something similar, press down from the top of the knee so it's not on the knee bone, and just press down and roll up towards your groin about 10 times. Don't do it that hard that you hurt yourself, but that's just going to release the muscle and release the tension. And then you can go to the right side, do the right side, and we do that again. We do that about 10 times. So it's just a gentle rolling up like this. Now, if you don't have a rolling pin like me, because I'm a very good cook, as everyone knows, you can just get your hands, just sort of knead it, or just get the palm of your hand here and just knead up into those sore points all the way up. Now, we always start with the left side, but the left side in Oriental medicine, we use that if your bowels are sluggish or you've got a bit of constipation. So there might be a few of you that are eating a little too much pasta and rice. With the right side, we use it if we've got what we call vascular nerve compression. We may have trouble with our veins or heavy legs. So we do both sides. So try that and let us know how you go. Bye.